Welcome back to my series where I show you how to turn one recipe into endless meals. And today's base recipe is my everything bagel bean salad. It's inspired by the infamous dense bean salad, which is basically beans and a bunch of finely diced veggies all wrapped together with a vinaigrette. The vinaigrette is carrying a lot of that everything bagel flavor, and you can really use any veggie you have in your fridge. All right, now here's how I turn that into a bunch of meals throughout the week. First up is a creamy pasta salad. Just take whatever pasta you have in your fridge that might be left over from dinner last night, add in some of that everything bagel bean salad, add in some mayonnaise and Greek yogurt. So easy, so good. On another day, you can use the bean salad to make these fresh and crunchy lettuce wraps. Just spoon it into some romaine or butterhead lettuce leaves, and then I like to blend up some cottage cheese to act as a high protein creamy sauce. And then whatever bean salads you have left in your fridge can be used for breakfast. I like to top an everything bagel with some cottage cheese or cream cheese and then spoon that bean salad right on top. This is such a fun way of meal prepping in a way that doesn't leave you bored of the same thing every day, because every day is a little different. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!